What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video on the channel. It's been a little while, obviously, since I've uploaded a video on this channel, but today I want to try and have a look at something. There is a database here that I found that I wanted to kind of make a video just to see how rare is my car, right? Like, the car that I'm driving in real life, it's an F82. How rare is it, right? And I want to see, because you can check by spec and everything, and you can see how rare your car actually is with the DataWorks site. So I wanted to try and have a look and see exactly how rare it is, especially in Ireland, because there's not really many sports cars or supercars in Ireland due to the fact that the tax system is very crazy. But yeah, I don't really have like a super rare, like extremely whatever model of the F82, but I do have one of them. And I want to see, like I said, how rare is it really? You know what I mean? This kind of reminds me of the thing where, you know, the Corvette drivers, where they like put like a page, like a special paint on their car, and then they're like, oh yeah, my car is now 1 out of 1. Do you know what I mean? Like, that's exactly what this reminds me of, but this is obviously a little bit different. You know what the weird thing is? There is so few F8X cars compared to the G8X cars. There's a fraction of them, which is absolutely insane. I'm gonna have a look at the other screen here. The G80 itself, right? So the BMW G80 M3 itself is in 2025, so last year alone, it sold 71,500 units. So they've sold 71,500 G80 M3s only in 2025. It's so hard to put like a specific number on this because there are so many variables, of course, and most importantly, it's still in production, so they're still being sold daily, basically. But if you have a look at the list here, if I click on F80, like compared to the G80, which again, in just 2025 alone, they've sold 71,500. In its production time, like from 2013, right? When did these come out? So 2013, wow, we actually have like crazy. I don't know about the VINs. Like, the VINs look insane. So 000 VINs on this. Started production 2012. I'm assuming that is going to be one of the cloth. Pre-LCI, obviously, no carbon ceramics, keyless entry, sunroof, and then hi-fi audio system. So this is like super base spec. In Germany, in black sapphire, and it was a 2012 model. That is like one of the first ones that has been created in 2012. So 2014 is when they started, I guess, going out to people by the looks of things. Or is it? No. It is still 2012. So I'm assuming people got their cars in 2013, right? Because if it says 2012, it's usually cars we're getting the year after, right? That kind of makes sense. Unless they're built at the start of the year and then sold at the second half of the year. But I'm assuming, because the 3 Series, the actual F30, came out in 2012. Anyway, regardless, huge amount of models. And then the F82, which is a car that I have, they've sold 57,505. Now, this is all models. So this is the M4, M4 Competition, M4 CS, M4 DTM, M4 GTS. And again, it's all facelift and non-facelift. So LCI and non-LCI. And then they've also sold 19,865 F83s, which is a convertible one. But the one I'm going to be focusing on in today's video is going to be the F82. And I'm going to try to spec my car, because I know it's on this list. I've already looked it up before. But I want to see exactly how rare it actually is, especially in Ireland. Or at least show you guys, at the very least. So there's a lot of cars that will be in black sapphire. Black sapphire is not really a particularly rare color. I think it's a lot rarer than like stuff like this, like Alpine White. This is 8,000 of them in Alpine White. There's obviously Austin Yellow is probably going to be very popular. No, I thought this was going to be a lot more popular, to be fair. Austin Yellow, if you don't know, it's like the mustardy color that you have. Black Sapphire, 11,000. Yeah, that's going to be quite a common paint, which is what mine is. We have Bright Red, 9. So there's a lot of like individual colors here as well. Champagne Quartz is one of my favorite ones. 202 Champagne Quartz F82s are sold in the world that have ever been made. Daytona Violet should be rare. Yeah, 30. Estrel Blue. Cool. What's the other one? It's not like a second blue, is it? What's the other blue? I can't remember what it's called now. Is it Laguna Seca Blue? No, Laguna Seca Blue is the it's the one that's from the E46. What's the other blue? It's not lemon blue, is it? I can't remember what that blue is called. I cannot remember what the blue is called. It's annoying me now. Regardless, the blue that it's not San Marino. San Marino. Oh, it is San Marino. San Marino blue is the common one. Okay. And then we have Santorini blue, which is rare. So again, it shows a lot of different colors as well. Like pretty much every color that we've had, like for the F82. Yasmarina, that's it. It's Yasmarina. That's the color. I don't know how I forgot about that, to be fair. And then we have Zanzibar as well, which I can't click at. Zanzibar. 3 Zanzibars. They're so cool as well. They're also only left-hand drive, so there's none in right-hand drive markets. That's cool. So let me check mine. Actually, let's do this first, because mine is just a regular M4, not a comp, not a CS, not whatever. So there's only 32,000. Okay, and then we go over to Black Sapphire, 6,200. Okay. Mine is the where is the Silverstone Extended? There you go. Full leather is the one that you have leather on the dash and everything. Mine is not. Mine is just the extended leather, which is just the normal. I don't know why it's listed like this, but that's what it is. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, the full dash leather and all that sort of stuff. You have 199 models. So 440. So now black M4 with a white interior is now down to 440. You know what I mean? We go down special editions. No special editions here. Non-LCI CCB, so you can view the chart by that, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to do this. So it's going to be DCT. It's also going to be Euro right-hand drive. And now how many are there? 202. There are 202 cars. No carbon ceramic brakes. There's only one of them with carbon ceramic brakes like that. We got the headlights. Mine are the adaptive xenons. There you go. And now we're down to 72 cars. And then I also have a heads-up display, which is like that. 43 cars. And now, if we go over to roof type, you can see okay, we can see roof type 9. There are 9 cars right-hand drive. There are 9 cars that are like mine ever made. How crazy is that? What if I do this? What if I get rid of this? No, because this just shows right-hand drive. Rest of the world, yeah. Okay. So no carbon ceramics. Mine's the sunroof option one. It's not the carbon roof. That apparently is more popular. So there's 9. So my car in the world, I have 9 cars in the world that look like my car. that's kind of sick to see. That is kind of sick to see. If I go and I change it now to it being Euro right-hand drive, there you go. And then mine should be on this list. It should be, because mine is an Irish registered car. But it is on this list. I'm not gonna actually show you guys or tell you guys which one it is. It is one of the cars here that says Ireland, because mine is Irish as well. It's not an imported car from the UK. But yeah, in Ireland, or just I guess in the world, there are 9 cars that look like my car. That's pretty insane. And then if I go and I check in Ireland, how many of them look like mine? I have 1, 2, 3. Wait. What? I need to change something, don't I? So there's 9 right-hand drive. 1, 2, 3. Wait, can I check? Oh, I can just choose the country. Duh. 7. There are 7 cars in Ireland that are basically my car, that look like my car. I mean, obviously I modified my car so it doesn't look completely standard, but from factory, there are 7 cars in Ireland that look like my car. That's kind of cool to see. As soon as you start stepping into like the bigger regions, though, that's when you start seeing like massive numbers. So if we get rid of this and get rid of that, like if we go to the USA, right? So North America. I mean, that's not really that. I thought there was going to be a lot more of them. I genuinely thought there was going to be a lot more of them. Okay, well, I was completely wrong. Like, what if we get rid of this? I mean, there's barely any more. The heads-up display just did nothing there. That's crazy. So black sapphire with a silverstone interior is somewhat rare. Is it because did you guys get the adaptive LEDs? Is there more of those? Slightly more. There are slightly more of those. V2s are the icons. By LED, I can't remember what these ones are. No, that's just nothing. And then we have the regular xenons, which is just one. So there are 76 if you just discount the lights, if you just don't say anything, if you don't put anything. But that's crazy. That is actually so rare. I definitely didn't think it was that rare. But like black M4s, if you get rid of this, just get rid of this as well. That's fine, and then get rid of that. So we have like a bigger region, I guess, for this. Mine is still in the world, okay, without having these selected, 1 of 18. Black with a white interior and a sunroof. I mean, there's obviously then options for Harman Kardon sound system. What else is there? There's like extended interior carbon pack, because you can get like an interior carbon pack as well that you can check. There's stuff like that that doesn't show on this list, which is pretty crazy. But that's how rare my car is in the world. Like, you may think about it, you may see so many of these F80s and F82s online on the internet, and then you just realize how rare the car actually is. It's just you see a lot of them because people they just enjoy making videos with them, if that makes sense. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, 57,505 cars. Like, if you keep in mind, like a regular car, let's say like the regular, like a Golf, like something that's common. Like, there's been like 6 million units of just the Golf 7 that were made, which is insane. You know what I mean? So that's how this car kind of fits into all of these. That is kind of cool though, to see how rare my car actually is in the world. I mean, obviously, once you start doing modifications to it, you can make your own and whatever, but that's I don't count that. It's just whatever it came out, however it came out of the factory. That's the one thing that I really wanted to check out. Like, I want to see how rare it is with the same specs, same everything. How many, or very similar specs, because again, it doesn't show, you know, interior carbon or extended carbon pack for the exterior as well, and performance parts, all that sort of stuff, you know what I mean? So some of them may still be even more different. That's it for this video. I know, like I said, I haven't uploaded in a long time. I kind of want to try and bring this channel back a little bit more. There's obviously some things that I want to, you know, do IRL, but again, it just comes down to, you know, having the time, sorry, not the time, having the ability to actually do what I want to do, basically. But yeah, that's practically it for me. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will speak to you guys later. Goodbye.